Hey there, today I have got the K&FCONCEPT electric air duster. So this is the box that it comes in. So it's the BS500M is the model, and it comes with a whole heap of accessories and a little bag. So there's a whole heap of brushes and stuff in this box here, which probably, I don't know if I'll use or not. It comes with a little nozzle that just clicks on there. It says whether it's got an input or an output. So you can also use this as a vacuum. So it just sort of fits on there, and then you can just vacuum stuff up. So I've already got some dust and stuff on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on just by pressing the button at the bottom until you see the blue lights, and then you can adjust the strength of it and you can turn it on or off. So it's blowing there, and it's sucking there, I think. You can turn it up . It's very, very noisy though. So if you've got, you know, some crumbs or something, it's not bad for that. Blowing, I don't know, let's have a little test at blowing. And that was just on low. Initial thoughts, I'll put them in the full review. I'm just a little worried about putting it on my camera sensor, but for in the studio, blowing off dust, crumbs, anything like that, it would probably be quite good, really. Keyboards and things like that. So it comes with another filter. It's got various different brushes you can use for, you know, sweeping out your keyboard or anything like that that you wanted to use. So you've got several different brushes there that you can use it with. So, you know, for cleaning your keyboard or whatever. Obviously it comes with a USB charger, and there is a USB charging point just on the bottom there near the power. There's also a torch. Turn it on. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a torch there. You can turn that on or off, and it blows everything off. Obviously it comes with a quick startup guide and things like that. So I will put the link below for my full review, but for around the studio, I think it's probably going to be okay. Like I said, I don't know how I feel about putting it on my sensor. Maybe I'm just being a sook, but I think maybe it's just a little too strong to use on my camera sensor. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye.